squishy. The water's made of clay, too. Hold tight. We're sailing across the softest ocean ever.
Whoa! That wave was huge, but super soft.
Land ho! Let's explore our new clay island.
Time to go home, Temid. The clay ocean will be waiting for us tomorrow.
Did you like our ocean trip? Give us a big like and tap subscribe so we can make more clay adventures together. See you soon! Let's plant clay seeds. Maybe they'll grow into something amazing. Shh! Something's moving. The clay is waking up. Look! It's growing! Hello, little clay plants! Wow. Glowing flowers. They look like dreams made of clay.
Can you hear that? The trees are singing. So peaceful.
If you loved our magical clay garden, give us a big like and tap subscribe. Let's keep growing our clay world together.